Hey, wait! This beautiful abstract artwork is made with just a simple shapes in Procreate. In less than 10 minutes? Let's do it. And I will show you exactly how you create this kind of modern artwork step by step. So hey everyone, welcome back to Quadro 143. My name is Bijon and today I will show you another digital painting in Procreate which is in abstract format. This is called a wall painting type format. So grab your iPad, open Procreate and let's create something amazing together. And it's a humble request to you, if you like my digital art tutorial videos, please hit like, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss a new video when I upload it. So let's get started. So I have roughly sketched it's a few things I have sketched. So first I'm going to create a new layer using basket wheel and using the color, this color, and I'm going to do it the background color first. So using this color, the lower portion, the light color, I'm going to use it first. Three to four colors I'm going to use it, that's not a problem. I'm going to create another layer, drop down that layer using black color with the same brush. Basically I'm going to use the same two brushes for this abstract art. Drag that color, black color. I'm going to use another layer for it, for the another color. You have to just first I'm going to choose the color. On the same layer you can do it because it's already created. I'm going to drag the color and don't forget about that because all the things will do it above the sketch layer. So I'm going to deselect the sketch layer at the like a final time, so don't worry about it. So this is the abstract art. You can do it if you like the way you are doing, then you can do it. I don't need to do it because I'm doing it the same way. You can change the background, that's not a problem. So it's up to you totally. So I'm going to do here as well, or it will time taking, so I'm going to do it and I'm going to erase this portion. Do it like that. So don't need to do it if you can do it properly, you can do it. I'm just doing it for easy way. That's the reason I'm showing you this way. And make sure you have to when you draw the background, you have to using three because I have used 1 2 3 4 colors. So 4 colors in 2 layers, 3 layers I'm using. So you have to do it like that way. So I'm going to use another layer I'm going to create which is above the sketch layer. I'm going to draw this portion and this is the only one layer I'm going to use it. Draw the alpha lock, or just block the alpha lock using airbrushing, black color, just size it should be a little bit low, and you have to do it like that way. Change the color, you have to do it on the right hand side the shadow is coming, so you have to do it like that way. I'm going to create another layer, layer 6, drop down that layer and I'm going to use this color. So check it out properly step by step. You have to stay till the end because there is lots of work which you need to follow properly. Then you can draw this kind of painting. And this is I'll tell you at the beginning time that this is abstract painting, which generally you can see cafes or interior shops like that, decoration shops. You can some of the aesthetic home, you can check this kind of artwork. This is a wall painting abstract artwork, so you can do it at your home and try to do draw a wall as well. This kind of artwork is so cool, it's look amazing, and it's abstract format artwork. So I hope you can check. First you have to use the color, then you're going to blur it. So if you can check, I'm going to using a different layer for that, but I'm going to drag all the layer in one layer. I'll show you how to do it. So first you have to use 2 to 3 colors over there. You can check I have already used 3 colors, and if you made any mistake, you have to just make it comfortable and make it if it's look good, then you have to do it like that way. I'm going to create another layer above the sketch layer. I'm going to use this color. So you have to check it properly how I'm going to do it. When you are done this color, do it. Okay, now the magic will happen. Now how you can turn these things into good one, it's look like exactly, but it's abstract format, so you can check it out. I'm going to using the airbrushing. I have like done the alpha lock on the first layer, it's the dark layer. Just few step here, if you can check properly, because it's going to be visible. And if you can check, I have just deselect the background, which is I already make it. The background color is my completed, but I have just deselect the background color. At the final time, I'm going to select the background color. So if you can check, I'm going to use the dark color first, because the right side is a darker side, so I'm going to use over there. So if you can check, I'm using, but make sure you have to do it when you are draw it. You have to do the alpha lock, otherwise the color is going outside. So you have to do it like that way. Size, brush size, you can measure according to your sketch, how big you are going to do it. If you are going to do the same drawing, then you can use 3 to 4%. You have to drop down the opacity as well, so you have to do it like that way. Till now, if you can check properly, the this painting, it's look amazing still, but I need to this kind of things to be properly visible and properly look like a aesthetic and look like a what I can say, like it's look real. So that's why I'm going to do it. I'm going to blur these things as well. So both the 5 and 4 layer I have already alpha lock. I'm going to do the alpha lock on layer 6 as well. I'm going to do just this portion. It's visible proper light over here, so I'm going to do it like that way. If you can check properly, I'm going to do, because I have already done the alpha lock, I'm going to use the ash color here, so it will look prominent and it will look almost real. It's abstract art, but still it will look good. So you can try this method, you can try to draw like this way. Now I'm going to do one more thing, which is magical will happen. The line, which is difference between the 2 or 3 colors, there is a line mentioned over there, so you won't see this line anymore. I'm going to just 4, 5, 6 layer together in one layer, layer 6. Now you can check, I have just select the background color. If you can check, now I'm going to just blur the line, so it will look prominent. If you can check properly, see, the magic will happen now. You can just, as I told you, you can drop down the size or the opacity. If you can do it, you can do it, because all 3 layers I have already done the alpha lock, so the color is not going anywhere. Now you can check properly, there is no line difference between 3 colors. Now it's look prominent. If you just zoom out, you will get to see this color combination is looking amazing, and it's look like prominent. So I hope you can check properly. So let me do these things, and step by step, this is the way you have to do it. And same, because there is 2 things, same creature which I already created, you have to do it like that way. On that beside that circle things, you have to do it the same way, the way you did it. This one you have to do it on the left side one, you have to do it on the same way, but you have to do it and you have to create another layer for that. So this one is a front side and that one is a backward side, so you have to just create according to that. I'm just going to the shadow as a lower portion, and I'm going to do the back side one, but make sure that the yellow creature which I already make it, that should be in front, and the previous one and the beside one you have to do it in backwards. And so underneath that 4, 5, 6 layers which I make it to one, underneath that you need to create another layer for that painting, but you need to do it in the same way which I did this one. If you can check, I have to draw create another layer above layer 2. Layer 2, that's my sketch layer, so you have to drop down that layer 5 as well. Layer 6 I have created, but that is not 6, actually that is 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to use a different color. Now check it properly and follow the instruction. Make sure you have to check it out the same way I'm doing it or not. Okay, check it out first. I'm going to use the Baskerville, and as I did this one, I'm going to do the same way the backward one as well. So check it out properly. The lower portion I'm going to do it first. So let me do these things step by step. Follow the instruction, follow the step which I'm using. Okay, check step by step. So you can check the background one I have already created. So you have to do it like that way. I'm going to create another layer for that. And now if you can check the same, like I hope you already checked the same way I did it. Now I'm going to use another layer with this color and I'm going to draw some lips. So if you can check, you have to do it slowly and properly you can make it. Okay, so this is the easy way. Like and make sure, like I'm sorry for that, because I told you at the beginning of this video that it will like you can create these things in less than 10 minutes. Yes, you can. Obviously I'm going to show you step by step. That's why it's time taking. Okay, so you can do it step by step. If you can check this format, like how I'm going to create these things, the same way you have to do it. Few of the lips, like it's, you know, like you can create it. You don't need to do it, you know, like what exactly how lips look like. You don't need to do it like that. Just simple, like first you have to draw the outline and drag the color. Like two colors you can use it, either like one is light, one is dark. Either you can use it dark green or light green, or else you can use you know, green is a yellow type green. You can check, like you can use, like it's up to you how, like which color you're going to use it, because it's a abstract format art. Color doesn't mean, like doesn't matter actually. So you can use it. Check it out properly how I'm going to do it. Okay, let me do it first. Here I have used two colors in two layers. So I'm going to create another layer. Sorry, I'm going to like do the alpha lock using the light color on the dark layer, dark color layer, and I'm going to use that dark color on the light layer. So it should be look prominent and it's look amazing. If you can check those leaves, like when I'm going to using you know, airbrushing soft brush, and like with the help of alpha lock, it will look good. It's look good, I hope. Like this is almost done. Like the painting, it's as I told you, it will not going to take that much of time. If you like, if you keep practicing, you know, every day, if you draw like this kind of artwork, like you can do it under 10 minutes. If it's not taking like that much of time, I know at the beginning time maybe it will take 20 minutes, half an hour. So half an hour of your time you will create this kind of masterpiece. So why, like why you can do it, like you can do it, like, so you can just grab your iPad, do it, open Procreate and do it, this kind of artwork, and share with me. I would love to see your art creation. So I hope you can this kind of things, like it's for abstract format you can create, which is looks nice. So my painting is done, my abstract art is done. Do let me know in the comment section how is it, if it's helpful for you, if the layering and the tutorial how I like told you, maybe my like I can't tell you like that way, but yeah, if you like check the videos, I hope you can see all the like you know, layering, how I created these things. So please do let me know in the comment section, so I like I'll get to know like what happened, like is it helpful or not. So it's a humble request to you, I need your feedback, like if it's workful, like it's helpful for you or not, and like and share your artwork please. So I'm done with this painting. This is few things you can do it as well. If you're going to leave it, you can leave it. So also like the painting is done, the art is done. This is, as I told you, this is a wall art types, abstract art. Generally you can draw this kind of artwork in wall. So try to draw this kind of artwork first in iPad or tablet, then you can try to draw in wall. So please share your artwork and mention my channel name. So I would love to see your artwork, and for now, bye bye for now. So, and we'll see you in my next video, and do let me know in the comment section what I have to draw next time. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye.